Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the device and app support floating windows. This matters because not every OS or app allows overlay. Once done, enable developer options and grant display over apps permission so the system can render above other activities. Next, install or open the app that provides the floating screen feature and choose the floating or pop-up mode. Make sure to use the correct APK or the latest app update. Outdated builds often block overlays and cause instability. You now configure the floating window, open the app and activate float mode or switch to picture-in-picture if available, because each mode behaves differently. Then resize the window and adjust opacity to balance visibility and background context. This helps when you need interaction versus passive viewing. Also enable touch-through or gesture controls so the floating screen won't block necessary taps. Once configured, set startup behavior, auto-launch at boot, or keep manual toggle to fit your workflow and battery considerations. You finish by testing every interaction, drag, resize, focus, and how it behaves during calls or media playback to validate the experience. If it fails, check battery optimization and background restrictions, then regrant display permissions. Many systems kill overlays to save power. If problems persist, uninstall updates or try an alternative floating app, and make sure the OS is current because fixes often arrive in system patches. One quick tip: reboot after permission changes to ensure the overlay service restarts cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.